Hello everyone, welcome back to the Healthy Friends channel. This channel discusses all about health. I hope may we all always be in good health. If you enjoy breakfast, choosing nutritious foods may provide long-lasting energy and keep you full for hours. These foods are typically high in fiber, protein, healthy fats, and micronutrients. While it's best to avoid unhealthy options that are high in sugar, refined carbs, and additives, it's not always easy to know what to choose. As such, the list below will help you build a healthy breakfast. Here are 10 of the best foods and drinks to enjoy in the morning. Number 1. Fruit. If you don't want a full meal but still crave a bite to eat in the morning, try fruit. Many fruits including oranges, guava, kiwi, strawberries, papaya, acerola cherries, and lychee, are high in vitamin C, which acts as an antioxidant and plays a key role in skin health. Other fruits like bananas, oranges, cantaloupe, papaya, and mango are high in potassium. Furthermore, fruits provide an array of polyphenol compounds and antioxidants depending on their color. Guava is high in lycopene while purple plums pack anthocyanins. Research indicates that eating whole fruit may offer numerous benefits, such as a decreased risk of heart disease and cancer, lower rates of depression and poor mental health, healthy aging, and better gut health. For a balanced breakfast, pair fruit with high-protein foods, such as eggs, Greek yogurt, or cottage cheese. Number 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a great option if you're looking for a quick breakfast. A 1-cup Greek yogurt, 245-gram serving boasts 25 grams of protein and only 149 calories. Greek yogurt is full of beneficial nutrients like calcium, vitamin B12, zinc, potassium, and phosphorus. If you prefer an even creamier, higher protein product, Icelandic yogurt known as skyr is another great option. Try topping Greek yogurt with berries or chopped fruit to add more fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Number 3. Coffee. Aside from water, coffee is the world's most popular beverage. It's high in caffeine, a molecule that promotes alertness, improves mood, and increases physical and mental performance. Notably, many athletes drink coffee as a natural pre-workout beverage to support sports performance. It also contains other beneficial compounds, such as chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, and diterpenes, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. In fact, regular coffee intake is associated with many health benefits, such as a lower risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, liver disease, Parkinson's, certain types of cancer, and even death from all causes. Finally, it's best to drink your coffee black, or with dairy or plant-based milk. Try to use sugar sparingly or avoid it altogether, as too much sugar is linked to health risks. Number 4. Eggs. Eggs make a simple, nutritious breakfast choice. They're an excellent source of protein, which helps support muscle synthesis. Since protein takes a while to digest, it also helps keep you feeling full. Additionally, egg yolks contain lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants help prevent eye disorders like cataracts and macular degeneration. Eggs are also one of the best sources of choline, a vital nutrient for brain and liver health. Eat your eggs with other nutritious foods, such as whole grain toast, whole fruit, or sautéed vegetables. Number 5. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a classic breakfast option and it's nutritious to boot. It's made from rolled or steel-cut oats, which contain a unique fiber called beta-glucan. This soluble fiber not only helps reduce cholesterol levels but also promotes feelings of fullness by delaying stomach emptying and triggering the release of peptide, a fullness hormone that may prevent overeating. Oats are a good source of iron, B vitamins, manganese, magnesium, zinc, and selenium. Number 6. Berries. Berries, including blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries, are delicious and packed with antioxidants. Most are high in fiber, which promotes fullness. In fact, raspberries and blackberries each provide an impressive 8 grams of fiber per cup. Berries also offer antioxidants called anthocyanins, which provide their characteristic blue, purple, and red colors. A diet high in anthocyanins is linked to reduced inflammation, and a lower risk of illnesses like heart disease and certain types of cancer. Additionally, anthocyanins are associated with better brain health, and may protect against age-related mental decline. Number 7. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a fantastic high-protein breakfast item, packing an impressive 24 grams of protein per cup. A high-protein breakfast is linked to greater fullness and reduced hunger. In fact, one study found cottage cheese to be as filling and satisfying as eggs. Cottage cheese is also low in calories, providing only 180 calories per cup. Therefore, it may support weight loss without leaving you feeling hungry. You can eat cottage cheese with many other nutritious foods, such as berries, peaches, tomatoes, cucumbers, chia seeds, flax seeds, or granola. Number 8. Nuts. Nuts of all types are high in magnesium, potassium, and heart-healthy monounsaturated fat. They're also a great source of antioxidants. Although nuts are high in calories, studies suggest you don't absorb all of their fat. For example, some studies show that your body only absorbs about 129 calories from a 1-ounce serving of whole almonds, though you absorb more fat from processed versions, such as almond butter. Furthermore, nuts' high protein, fat, and fiber contents promote fullness, which may aid weight management. Nut intake is also linked to better heart and brain health. Topping Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or oatmeal with a spoonful or 2 of chopped nuts is a great way to increase your breakfast's nutritional value. Number 9. Green tea. Green tea is a soothing drink to get you going in the morning. It contains caffeine, which improves alertness and mood. 1 cup provides only 35 to 70 milligrams of caffeine, which is about half the amount in the same serving of coffee. It's also high in L-theanine, a compound that promotes a calming effect, and may reduce the jitters linked to caffeine intake. It may also improve mood and reduce anxiety. Finally, green tea provides epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, an antioxidant that protects against chronic ailments like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and mental decline. It may also have a mild effect on metabolism. Number 10. Protein shakes. If you're short on time or want to take your breakfast on the go, protein shakes or smoothies are a great option. Protein is important for many bodily functions, such as enzymatic reactions, maintaining and building muscle mass, and supporting healthy skin and hair. Protein promotes fullness and reduces hunger. Additionally, a protein shake makes a great post-workout meal. Eating a large meal after a workout may be hard on your stomach, but drinking a protein shake may be easier on your stomach, while still providing ample protein and nutrients for post-workout recovery. For a well-rounded breakfast, add a scoop of protein powder to a smoothie made with banana, frozen fruit, and milk or water. If you enjoy breakfast, try to start your day with a nutritious meal. While breakfast options abound, the best choices are high in fiber, protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Many nutritious, healthy foods and drinks are also easy to prepare in the morning. These include fruit, whole grain toast, eggs, green tea, coffee, and protein shakes. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.